Hi, good morning. So today we will discuss about how to choose a domain. So, so right now you are seeing this video and you are planning to choose a domain. So I'll tell some of the best practices which I followed as part of choosing a domain. So it will help you in choosing your own domain. So first of all, um, while choosing the domain name, try to keep the your website keyword in the domain name. So for example, if you are doing a business, maybe something related to house construction business, keep these words in your domain name so that search engines can pick up these words, and you will be ranked at the topmost. I mean, there are many factors for that, but in if your content uh, um, is quality content, then you will be in the first page. So it will help you in that way. So keep the your specific uh, keywords in the domain name. It will help you in the search engine rankings, and also it will be easy for the people to remember. This is the second point. And third point is keep it simple and short. So don't keep large or big names. People will forget it. The first point is people will forget that. And also if they want to reach you directly, it will be difficult for them to type entire website name. So that is the third point. Then don't keep the special characters, hyphen, underscore, and all that in the domain name. And in case if you are going ahead with the company name, if that company does not exist, if that URL does not exist, you can directly go ahead with the company name. So something like Google, Amazon, like that. So they'll keep their company names as a website domain name so that people will recognize them easily. And in case if you are creating website for yourself, so keep it on your name. So these are the mm, some best practices you can follow while choosing the domain. And and you will have a question on the what um, extension you have to choose, either it is a commercial or based on the country. See, for example, if you are doing a business, and you can always choose the .com domain, but whereas in case if you were expert in one specific area and your specialization is something like teaching Java skills, you nowadays there are domain extensions like Guru and all that, so you can keep one of them. But the best thing, the mostly widely used one is .com, and you can, based on the nature of your work, you can choose org and .net, all that. So you decide on this one, so based on the business what you are doing. And one more thing is, so once you decide these names, I mean at least have an idea, then you have to search that domain name in domain registers. So there are many domain registers which are available in the market right now. So some of them some of the companies are like hosting companies itself will provide the will register your domain name, or else there are specific companies who will do only domain registration. So one of them which I wanted to show you is GoDaddy. So you can search your name. The reason why I choose this website is it will suggest me some domain names, so I get the ideas. So for example, I'll search for a domain name. Let's see how it will show. So let us search for the useful tips. I want this website, useful tips blog. So initially I searched for the usefultips.com, so which is already taken by someone. So then what I did was I do blogging, so that is the reason I added the blog. I got this website few years back. I did the search. See, since I already took this website, usefultipsblog.com already taken, I'll get a sorry message here. But along with that, you will see some of the suggestions. Usefulhintsblog.com. I mean, I didn't get this idea. The hint instead of tips, the GoDaddy is showing hint. Then like that, usefultipsblog.in. So others can take this domain name and with the different extensions it is showing, like that, usefulcluesblog.com. This is a good name. These two ideas you can get, and in case if you are interested, you can take these things. Yeah, you can go through that list and choose one of them. And one more thing, in case if you want to see who is the owner of this particular website, you can get this information from the websites. So here I'm not find so I use domainsearch.com for that. So here let's say let's keep my website itself, usefultipsblog.com. I'm searching for that. Usefultipsblog.com is registered. So here you will see a small icon with I symbol. Click on that. You will see the information related to my website. Usefultipsblog.com registered for Mahendra Reddy, and it will show some information, the name, server information, and all that. And in case if you want to get more details, what you need to do is copy the URL from there and paste it in the another tab in the browser. You will get all the information. So it will ask you for the code. HYUT. Yeah, so now you got all the information. created on this date, last updated on this date, then the address and all that stuff for of this person, you'll get it. So that's how you need to do. And apart from GoDaddy, there are other hosting providers who will do the domain registration for you. For example, HostGator.com or HostGator.in, Bluehost.com. So all these websites will help you to create a domain name. So this is all about, basic required things about the domain name. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.